Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first launch the Play Store application, and here under the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. After that, tap here to open. Click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and after that here we can see the information with the temperature of, with the health of our device battery. In my case, that's good. Also here we can find more info like the battery level, capacity, temperature, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.